Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to basically eliminate the buzzing sound from your Blue Yeti microphone. Right now you probably can hear a beep sound coming from my Blue Yeti microphone, and I just need to fix this. So this is what I'm going to be trying. So I'm going to be going to settings, or actually the sound settings. Actually let's go to settings, and I'm going to go to sound input. Actually, I need to go to the sound input. On the input Blue Yeti microphones, I have the input volume. This is higher. I don't know what it. I can still hear that buzzing sound. I saw in one video that they say like this is gonna be fixing this. It doesn't seem for me it's actually doing anything, but you can try this. What it does. Let's see. Now the input level is higher. Now the input level is a bit lower for Yeti stereo microphone. Now let me close this, and I will see. You can try this. Thanks for watching.